This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ronnie Williams. This beautiful split floor plan features 3 bdrms, 2 being master size, 2 bathrooms, and an office/den. Could be a 4-bedroom. Perfect for people who have guests throughout the year. Corner lot with screened private lanai and patio for barbecuing. Golf cart garage or storage with extra driveway. New laminate flooring, ceiling fans in most rooms. Eat-in kitchen plus dining room. Park 6 to 8 cars on this expansive driveway. Furniture is negotiable. This home is priced right for all it has to offer. Plus you get 3 pools, 4 tennis courts, 6 pickleball courts, 3 gyms, bocce ball, shuffleboard, horseshoes, and amp, numerous social clubs. And there is so much more in Savanna Club. This is a land-lease property subject to approval by Sun Communities. For more information, review the details below.